In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new profile in Brave. Creating a new profile in the Brave browser is a simple way to keep your browsing separate and organized. Profiles let you split work and personal activity, keep different sets of bookmarks and extensions, and maintain separate histories and settings. This is especially helpful if you share a computer or want a clean space for a specific task without mixing it with your everyday browsing. Start by opening Brave. Look to the top right corner of the window for the profile icon. It may look like a simple person silhouette, or it might show your current avatar if you've used one before. Click that icon to open the profile menu. From the menu, choose Add a New Profile. Make sure you pick Add a New Profile and not Guest Profile. A guest profile is temporary and doesn't save your browser data once you close the window, which isn't what we want here. We're creating a dedicated profile that Brave will remember and keep separate from your other setups. Brave will now guide you through a short setup. You'll be prompted to name the profile, choose an avatar from the stock options, and pick a theme color. For the name, choose something clear and memorable that reflects how you plan to use it, like work, personal, school, or testing. Keeping names simple makes it easier to switch between profiles later. For the avatar, select one of the built-in icons. This image will appear on the profile button and the window, making it easy to tell profiles apart at a glance. Next, pick a theme color. The color you choose changes the look of the window and helps you visually distinguish this profile from others, which is handy when you have multiple Brave windows open. When everything looks right, click Done. Brave will open your new profile in its own window. You'll notice the theme color and avatar you selected, confirming you're in the correct profile. This profile starts fresh, with its own independent browsing data. Bookmarks, history, passwords, and extensions won't carry over from other profiles, so you have a clean slate to customize as you go. That's all it takes. You opened Brave, clicked the profile icon in the top right, selected Add a New Profile instead of Guest Profile, named it, chose an avatar and theme color, and clicked Done. You now have a dedicated space that keeps your browsing tidy and separated, ready for whatever you need.